Welcome back everyone to Ross's Daily Dabbling, and today we're looking at a Photoshop window because I'm doing something a little bit different. I'd like to show you how to make quick and easy ocean surface maps with a little bit of visual variety to it. So we're using Photoshop, but you can also do this in GIMP or your image editor of choice. I'm going to enable a grid in order to make this a little easier on myself. Otherwise, I've just set up a blank canvas to the size that I'd like, and I've set up the grid, and you can find all those basics out with a quick Google search. So, jumping in, we're going to import some of our ocean textures. I have the tropical one, the nighttime one, and the rough one, and links to all these will be in the description. I'm going to order them in this layer order, and I'm going to take advantage of their tiling nature, and I'm just going to make copies and move said copies where they need to go in order to tile. And then I'm going to combine all the tropical ones together, merge those, merge the rough ones together, and merge the nighttime ones together. Okay, after this I'm using the gradient tool. I'm using the radial gradient, and I'm going to put a layer mask over the top of my tropical layer. And using this, I'm going to erase. You know what? I'm going to invert that layer mask in order to make the whole thing vanish. And then I'm going to backwards erase. I'm going to do the opposite of erase. What on earth is that called? But anyway, I'm going to bring back the tropical where I'd like, and I'll get rid of the grid now. And oh, look, we've got an error down here. Looks like I've incorrectly layered those. Okay, and we're back. So, having fixed my tiling textures, that's just a matter of me placing them in the wrong place. We can now jump in, and using this, we can do this. If you're a fan of brushes instead, you can of course do it that way. But the point of this tutorial is to show you the fastest way. And we're just going to use these big old wide radial tools strokes, and paint this in. And maybe we'll switch to black and come back the other way. Just a tad, and what do you know? And then in order to bring the nighttime one through, I'm just going to erase from the rough layer and put some kind of darker ocean out here. And you know, you can even put it kind of underneath the tropical ocean to give it just like an extra, just a different kind of break it up. Okay, and gee whiz, wasn't that quick? We've got a pretty sweet, interesting ocean. And I can invert this and show you can do the opposite quite easily. You can do this way. That looks spooky, doesn't it? And you can put real quickly and real easily tropical water anywhere. Look, here's a nasty sandbank. Oof. Wouldn't want to run aground there, would ya? Okay, well, there's a nice, easy, simple guide to making real quick ocean water textures using my asset pack. You can download all that from the description below. And I hope I've helped you out today, especially just in time for Ghosts of Saltmarsh. So have fun with that. And please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you later.